Well, here we are in the middle of nowhere in the forest, and as nature calls, bodily functions have to be satisfied, and you have to do what you have to do. I've already dug a little trench here, a little hole, and I have to, of course, relieve myself. There's nothing around because we're in the middle of nowhere, so I don't have any tissue, but I've picked some leaves from one of the neighboring trees, and I'm going to take charge of what I have to do here. There we go. And I'm going to use these leaves now to, of course, cleanse myself. That's one leaf. And number 2 leaf for number 2. And leaf number 3. Okay, there we go. And now put my pants back up. And I'm ready to move along.